Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back this week and clicking on my face. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram for all of my fabulous updates, and come back each week for weekly uploads. And this video is sponsored by Farfetch, so thank you so much to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. You guys know I absolutely love Farfetch. That's how I find out about all of the new emerging brands. I'm always searching what's new. They have a whole tab, so if you don't want to really do the work to be on a hunt to find things, Farfetch is going to do all of the work for you. Lately I've been on Farfetch definitely looking at their pre-love section because I love their pre-love section. Their pre-love section is like no other. It's pieces that's very rare, very hard to find, and some of the pieces I've never seen in my life, but I've been really enjoying it. I love the fact that these pieces come from all over the world. I've never had problems with shipping. The shoes that I'm going to show you today, these came from overseas. I believe they came from Brown's Fashions, if I'm not mistaken, and I literally got this package in 2 days once I purchased it. Farfetch has definitely been my go-to for luxury items online. You can always find it. If something is out of stock somewhere, Farfetch is always going to have them. Actually, recently I've been looking for an item and I couldn't find the item anywhere. I went to Farfetch and they were back in stock. Now, one thing about Farfetch, I'm going to tell you guys, if anything is out of stock, please always check back because they always relist things, sometimes with new links, and always add your email to be notified if something do come back in stock, because they will send you an email letting you know there's something back in stock and you can just grab it up then. So if you've never checked out Farfetch, definitely check them out. And of course I have a code. I'm going to go ahead and put my code on the screen, and it's going to be also down below in the description box, so go ahead and check them out. And let's get into what we got, girl. Okay, so I think the lighting is definitely washing the box out, but as you guys can see, it is by Chloe. Now, when I was looking to get these, I just didn't know if I wanted to do it. I just was like, I think I don't need these. I think this is just not gonna work on me because I do have thick legs, come with thick calves, thick ankles, girl, and boots is the worst. Okay, I cannot find boots, so it come with, hold on, I'm gonna turn my lighting down. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. So it comes with 2 dust bags, which y'all know, keep your dust bags, girl. Are you ready? Are you ready? So I got a pair of boots. Now this is the Chloe Betty boot. I have been going back and forth. These are rain boots. I would say they're rain boots because they are rubber, but I would also say this can be worn as a regular boot. In the wintertime, you guys know it's always raining. It's always just a mess outside. So I thought this would be so good to add to my collection. Look at this. So hold on. It's so good. It has this chunky heel with the square toe. The quality, everything on this boot is just amazing. And this part right here is canvas. Now this was I was afraid of this. I thought it wouldn't fit me. I thought the opening would be too small. Everything about it, it works, girl. It just works for me. Look at this. And the zipper, easy to zip up and down, no issue. I love how chunky it is. Hold on. Oh, as you see, the zipper is chunky, the boot is so chunky. Once I put it on, it just gives Bratz doll vibes. That's exactly what it gives. So I was so happy to pick these up. They also come without the canvas. If the canvas is not your vibe, you can get it without the canvas. Me personally, I think they look better with the canvas. I think I didn't like them because the ones I tried on with the without the canvas, it just looks too much like a rain boot. It wasn't giving like anything else. But I can't lie, they also come in this olive green without the canvas. So gorgeous. And they also have a black pair with, it looked like a sock material. It kind of like the sock is fold over. So I just feel like these are rain boots, but you can wear them in the wintertime by itself, even if it's not raining. And I got the size 39 wide. They do fit perfect. I could have went up maybe half a size, maybe like a 39 and a half. I don't think I needed a 40. These fit exact, but I love everything about them. I'm not going to return them because I feel like if I wear a thin sock, I'll be fine. So yeah, I'm so excited about these boots. I'm actually going to show you guys what they look like on. 1 second. Wait to just style these up. You guys will definitely be seeing this. I actually love, look at that color. It looks so good. It's like this rich caramel. Oh, so good. And I love how this is a canvas. So this is just like a boot that I don't have to fight with or worry about it getting ruined. So yeah, do not forget to check the description box down below for all of the details, girl. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another vlog. Y'all know I told you that I will be vlogging because right now I'm not at home, so I can't do certain videos. So lately I just been vlogging, girl. Y'all remember I was like, if I become a daily vlogger, we put that on the resume. Girl, I feel like a daily vlogger. It is a lot of editing and it is a lot of work, but I'm just so happy that you guys are enjoying the videos, enjoying the vlogs. So today we're about to go to a family dinner and I'm going to take you guys with me. And that's what we're doing right now. And I'll show you guys my outfit once I get out the car. And yeah, and actually, yes, I'm still in Houston. And yeah, I will see you guys once we get to where we're going. By myself, of course. I came to Snooze. Anytime I'm in Houston, I usually come to Snooze, and I actually love it. I'm trying French toast today. I've never had their French toast, but that's the one that I'm trying today, so I'll tell you if I like it or not. Y'all, at this point, I go to happy hour every single day. It has become a part of my daily routine. I have nothing else to do but vlog, happy hour. And Houston, I can't lie, so far, besides Brooklyn, Houston happy hour is literally where it needs to be. So I'm at, usually every day, y'all know I go to Bar Louie, the RuPaul. Every day I go to Bar Louie. Today I'm at trying a different place. We're at the RuPaul. Tomorrow we're gonna try something new. So yeah. I feel like I'm on a food tour and I'm taking y'all with me. Because I told y'all, since I've been here in Houston, all I do is eat. Oh, y'all, girl, I got the wig back. The wig is back. Okay, y'all, this is the same wig. I went back to New Orleans to get this wig, but we're going to talk about that later. Right now, we're talking about these drinks. So, yeah. So, for a cocktail, I'm trying the Mexican martini. I usually just stick with Prosecco, or I just stick with Pinot Grigio. But I feel like, let's just try something new today, and we can get back to Pinot Grigio tomorrow. I had Pinot Grigio yesterday. So, we're doing the Mexican martini, and it has a lot of tequila. Honestly, if we just being honest, I never had a martini before, and I think I'm only getting this because of the martini glass. And good thing I did not wear makeup today because it is really outside. It's a little humid. So, yeah, girl. I'll tell y'all how the Mexican martini tastes once I get it.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.
So my drink just came, and this is the Mexican martini, and it's a lot of tequila in here. Let's see what it tastes like. So I don't really like tequila unless it's in my margarita. So let's see.
And then also too, I like.
Woo! It's strong, girl. It is strong. But wait, it's good though.
You don't even know how this tastes.
I taste lime and I taste tequila. It's actually really good. I feel like I need to watch it. Be careful. And I also have the fondue dip, which is really, really good. I highly recommend. All right, y'all, so I'm coming back with the update, y'all. I'm still at happy hour. We like moved to another spot. It's kind of like happy hour hopping. The best time. I'm here with Steph.
Hey, girlfriends.
Oh, you look tan.
I look cute.
No, maybe it's the camp.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It'll be in the description box below.
I never in my life met somebody who always want to plug this, so.
Vlogs coming soon.
Allegedly.
Whatever that means.
Why you over here trying to plug your vlog? Your kid is.
I don't have kids on me.
Your kid is gone.
I have kids in New Orleans, but that's me the kids.
They're about to over here, right here. They're about to have like live music. Hopefully, they don't play no rock and roll or nothing like that. Cause I'm not in the mood.
Look at the band. That's rock and roll.
That better not be no rock and roll.
Look at guitars.
I don't see no hard like drums.
Look at them drums.
I'm hopeful. Girl, if they start playing rock and roll out here,
That's what you're finna get.
it's gonna ruin my vibe. I just had a whole glass of Prosecco. Prosecco doesn't go with rock and roll. Maybe Hennessy. Hey girlfriends, so y'all, it is currently the next day. And I just woke up, had my therapy. Well, I didn't just wake up. I woke up, had my therapy session, and I'm so happy that I had a therapy session this morning because, and you know what? I just want to give a big shout out to my therapist because y'all, she really has stepped up and like really showed me. Cause me, one thing in therapy, I'm like, don't get me wrong, I'm comfortable with her, I talk to her, but it's still like building trust because, you know, I didn't really know her. But at this point, I've been seeing her for 9 months. And one thing I can say, in this time of me going through like not being home, she has really stepped up in like a major way. And like, I'm so comfortable with her now, and it just feels like she just stepped up. Like, when I tell y'all, she's been doing things that I'm just like, just the small acts of kindness. Like, if I text her and I just really need somebody to talk to. One night I text her, it was like almost 12, 11. It was like 11 p.m., maybe going into 12 a.m. And she called me instantly, talked to me until I felt better. She's been giving me like complimentary sessions and just doing like just the small things. And I just really, really, really appreciate her. And I've just been like very thankful that I have a therapist that actually cares, and she doesn't only care about the money. Like, that really just warms my heart. But I was just happy that I had a session. Oh my god, my arm hurt. Oh, I was just really happy that I had a session this morning because I woke up this morning, and at this point I've been here in Houston going on 3-4 weeks. I actually don't even count no more, and I have been trying to make the best out of, you know, a bad situation. But girl, I'm just ready to go home. So I went home to check on my house. Our house, like, we getting like repairs and stuff, so I can go home. I didn't lose any material things or anything like that, but I'm just ready to go home. And I've been trying to make the best out of, you know, this situation. I'm ready to go home. I've been trying to like keep a smile on, you know, but it's just like the small things. Like, I've been like going back and forth trying to find places out here. First of all, everything in Texas is a million years apart. In New Orleans, I'm so used to driving 15 minutes away. My gym is literally 3 minutes from my house. It's like everything is so close. Here in Houston, girl, I have been fighting to find workout classes. All the workout classes that I want to do is like by the Post Oak area. The traffic is crazy, so it's just like everything is really an inconvenience. I've been trying to just be like, you know what, it's okay, I'm over it. If we just being 100% honest, I'm so over it, and I'm just ready to go home. Like, I'm ready to go home. So hopefully I'm going home next week. Like, cross fingers, I'll be able to go home next week. I just miss the small things. I miss going to my own gym. Even like eating, I have been eating horrible out here. Like, I had to ask myself, why do I go to Target every single day and I'm spending at least $100 a day at Target? Why am I going out to eat every single day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Y'all know how much that is? That is expensive. I feel like I'm just like trying to find some type of routine. I'm just trying. And even like with shopping, girl, here in Houston, shopping is amazing. Like, I forgot, I used to live here, but I forgot how amazing luxury shopping is. Like, oh, it's like, especially, it's just not, let me just say this, me being emotional and shopping, being here in Houston, child, the impulsive purchases are like, it's real. So yeah, who is texting me? That's just where we're at. That's just what G is feeling. Like, she's ready to go home. I am so happy that Starbucks is like everywhere, because Starbucks has really been my safe place. When I go there, I kind of forget like I'm not at home, because you know Starbucks is always the same, and it's just good energy. My friend was like, why do you go to Starbucks? I'm like, that's my safe space right now. The mall is not my safe space, like, at all. But I'm about to leave. Hopefully I can go to a spin class, find like a workout class, because I haven't been working out. I've just been eating. I'm definitely gaining weight. I cannot fit anything. Like, nothing fits. My stomach is hanging over my jeans. It's just not a good time. So even when I get home, I've been thinking about maybe taking like a week from all social media, kind of like disappear, just to continue to work on my mental health and just make sure I'm okay, and not trying to put out content. But even that, girl, since I've been here, a lot of you was asking, am I on vacation? Because, you know, in my nasty girl haul, I was in a hotel room. No, girl, I'm not on vacation. This is not what I consider a vacation. I'm even getting so frustrated with like my content, because being here, it was like, okay, yeah, vlogging, that's cool, but at the same time, I'm doing the same thing every day. I'm going out to eat. Y'all don't want to keep seeing me go out to eat, shop, out to eat, shop, out to eat, shop, out to eat, shop. No, girl. So it's like, if I feel like I can't watch my content and it's boring, I'm not gonna put it out. So a lot of content you guys won't even like see. And even with my content, I'm also getting frustrated because I'm not happy with the quality. I don't have the camera that I usually use. I don't have my lighting. The hotel lighting is not what she needs. But at the same time, I committed myself. I've already told these people, okay, yeah, deadlines, payments have been made, so I still have to do work, but I'm not pleased with the content. So I'm sorry for the rant, but that's just kind of like an update of where I'm at. A lot of you have been asking me, am I still in Houston? Yes, I'm still in Houston. I love Houston. Houston is a beautiful city, but I'm over here basically opening up, just imagine opening up the window and just throwing your money out the window. And it is not working. I'm spending way too much money, and I'm just like, I need structure. Right now I don't have structure. There's no structure. I feel like I'm just, girl, I'm losing it. But yeah, if I don't take you guys with me today, we're gonna just go ahead and end out the vlog here. A lot of you told me that y'all got this robe. Girl, I see this robe is sold out now. It has like large sizes, but if you can get it, this robe is so bomb. You need it, girl. But I really appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you. If you made it through this whole rant, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you, girl. And I'm gonna just go ahead and probably end the vlog out here. So I'm gonna just say bye right now, and because most likely I probably do not take you guys with me today because she's a little emotional. So I'm gonna just see you guys later, and I'll just see you, yeah, in the next video. Hopefully in the next video I'm home. Let's cross fingers.